take this, explore that, what is the property he has in hold,
Well,
or will put him under the civil prison if necessary.
अक्टूबर तक का लास्ट टाइम मांग रहा है कि अक्टूबर तक में जितना
अक्टूबर तक में जितना बचा सब उसको ही कर देंगे सेल करके, जो भी दहेज का सामान था इनका.
he has one I-10 car, one bike, and there is no immovable property, and the affidavit is also not in format of the as prescribed by Honorable Supreme Court.
काइंडली वो जो कार है वो लोन में रखा है, मतलब वो लोन का जो पैसा लिया था उसको
We are not-
जो वो देना चाह रहा था तो दहेज का सामान था वो उसी को सेल करके दे रहा है, इसके अलावा कुछ इनके पास है नहीं कि
That is not our. There is an order by the court. Pay. That's all. Will not go into that. Why it is 10 lakhs or should have been 3 lakhs. Will not go into that.
Contact with the co-counsel, Your Lordship. We are filing the Wakalatnama, but the registry is not taking it. She is present today. There was an order of this Honorable Court.
The respondent is in person before this court. He requests that the counsel, what you write?
Atul Kumar Ki Sharmani.
No, full. The team of you have filed the Wakalatnama.
Your Lordship, today we were filing, but they returned it. The registry returned it.
How they can return it?
Because there is another counsel in that case.
How they can return registry? That is our prerogative whether to allow or not. How they can return?
They said that they said
Right.
that you get NOC from the.
Then NOC, that is not their prerogative. They are not in the.
Today we were filing, my lord. That is the fact. Making fair submission.
The respondent counsel, their associates may be allowed to appear on behalf of the respondent. The counsel who is present before the court would submit the Wakalatnama is not being accepted
Right.
by the registry. By the registry. He is allowed to file it in before the court because of the fact that no objection is not been granted by the earlier counsel. Who was the earlier counsel?
Earlier counsel, Mr. A.P. Sharma, has passed away, and there is another counsel.
The counsel would submit that the earlier counsel, A.P. Sharma, has passed away. We are unable to understand the way the registry operated. As the tender of any power cannot be refused on such ground when the earlier counsel is no more. Even otherwise, it would be the prerogative of, it would be the domain within the court, domain of the court to pass the necessary orders. And no party can be stopped to represent. The Registrar Judicial is directed to place on his explanation on this regard. Next. Yes.
मतलब इसमें आज कुछ अमाउंट जमा डिपॉजिट कर रहे हैं, कितने? 30,000.
30,000.
यस.
My lord, may kindly peruse the last order sheet. May I read out the relevant portion, Lord?
एक मिनट पढ़ने तो दे.
जी.
How much is the remaining?
Now 2.2 lakhs.
2.20 lakhs.
Yeah.
The amount. Sell the property if you have no capacity. You can't hold in the Sridhan and then at the same time claim I will not pay. Why should he not?
मतलब जो वो देना चाह रहा था तो दहेज का सामान था वो उसी को सेल करके दे रहा है, इसके अलावा कुछ इनके पास है नहीं कि
That is not our. There is an order by the court. Pay. That's all. will not go into that. Why it is 10 lakhs or should have been 3 lakhs, will not go into that. प्रॉपर्टी क्या क्या है आपके नाम पे?
नहीं सर,
नहीं है बोल रहे हैं अक्टूबर तक डिपॉजिट करने का बोल रहे हैं।
प्रॉपर्टी कुछ है?
नहीं है तुम्हारा नाम से? नहीं है बोल रहे हैं।
कुछ है इनके नाम पे प्रॉपर्टी?
प्रॉपर्टी होगी तो वो तो मुझे पता नहीं है सर, बट आई एम अगेन सेइंग हियर he is a registered doctor, ayurvedic registered doctor from state government and central government, so how he can say that he has a financial problem sir? सिंपल सी बात है ये तो। देखिए ये कह देने से कि मेरे पास प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, तो इसको तो मौका दिया गया था ना, स्त्री धन वापस कर दिया जाए।
पे दी अमाउंट कितना लाए हैं? You take this, explore that. What is the property he has in hold?
Well,
है ना? You just will then attach and whatever the
well,
or will put him under the civil prison if necessary.
बैंक अकाउंट फ्रीज कर देंगे, बैंक अकाउंट फ्रीज कर देंगे आप,
बैंक अकाउंट है?
बैंक अकाउंट है
आपको फ्रीज कर
What is
देंगे।
that account? Where is this?
इसमें सर HDFC में।
उसकी अकाउंट शीट है?
नहीं सर, ये अक्टूबर तक मौका नहीं।
अक्टूबर तक का लास्ट टाइम मांग रहा है कि अक्टूबर तक मैं जितना
अक्टूबर तक में जितना बचा सर उसको ही कर देंगे सेल करके सर, जो भी दहेज का सामान था इनका। अभी भी सेल करके ही ये कर रहे हैं सर।
as per his affidavit, he has one I-10 car, one bike, and there is no immovable property. And the affidavit is also not in format of the as prescribed by Honorable Supreme Court.
The car is in his name. You have a I-10 car.
हाँ, इन्हों को दिया था सर मेरे नाम पे।
That is it. That is with you.
हाँ सर।
And another?
CD Deluxe bike and 2,000 rupees in his account as per the affidavit.
I-10 कार का वो क्या है?
No particular has been given in the affidavit.
What is the registration number?
CG 10 Y 1417।
Today.
मतलब काइंडली वो जो कार है वो लोन में रखा है, मतलब वो लोन का जो पैसा लिया था उसको
We are not concerned.
तो
She's also saying that
अक्टूबर तक
he's having her jewelry also, which is being worn by his family members.
जो ज्वेलरी है
They're
मतलब
giving-
जो ज्वेलरी
She
है
has
उसको
the
वो
proof
खुद
from
ले गई।
From Facebook, she can show photos. They are
ज्वेलरी
using
जो ज्वेलरी था मतलब उसको
No, we cannot go with that next. It's an interim order, otherwise we will dismiss his appeal.
मतलब
Khatam. We'll dismiss it. If we do not pay, we'll dismiss it in non-compliance of the order.
Great.
That's all. And put him to the civil prison. That is the judicial order.
मतलब
मतलब काइंडली लास्ट टाइम अक्टूबर तक का टाइम दीजिए, मतलब वो डिपॉजिट कर देगा।
वो दे रहे
अगस्त-
हैं
अभी 30 दे रहे हैं, मतलब जो बाकी का जो है अक्टूबर तक कंप्लीट कर दूंगा बोल रहे हैं।
हाँ?
अक्टूबर तक
तो
कंप्लीट,
सितंबर चालू नहीं हुआ।
सेकेंड वीक ऑफ अक्टूबर में,
हाँ?
सेकेंड वीक ऑफ अक्टूबर तक वो डिपॉजिट कर दूंगा बोल रहे हैं। बाकी का जो 2,20,000 रुपए बचेगा मतलब।
आज 30,000 दे
आज 30,000 दे रहे हैं।
दीजिए। Just take that, whatever money comes to the kitty.